So in this video, we're going to learn about a theorem. So let's first read it. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, that is they have different lengths, then the longer side has the greater angle opposite to it. So what this theorem is saying that if in a triangle you have two sides which have different measures, then the side which has a longer measure, that is the longer side, will have a greater angle opposite to it. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Let's have taken a triangle ABC. So let's say AB is 15 centimeters and let's say AC is 12 centimeter, right? So now AB and AC both have different measures. Between AB and AC, which is longer? AB is longer. So what this theorem is saying is that the angle opposite to AB, what is the angle opposite to AB? Angle C, will be greater than the angle opposite to AC. What is the angle opposite to AC? Angle B over here, right? So basically what this theorem is saying is that because AB is greater than AC, that means the angle opposite to AB, that is angle C, will be greater than the angle opposite to AC, angle B. So this is what this theorem means. So in a triangle, whenever you have two unequal sides, we do not know what are the exact measures of these angles. What we know is that this angle is bigger than this. So whenever in a triangle you have two unequal sides, the angle opposite to the longer side will be bigger. So angle opposite to, so between these two, which is the longer side? AB. So angle opposite to AB, that is C, will be greater than angle opposite to AC, that is B. Let me take another example. Let's say we have a triangle PQR. Let's say this over here is 15 centimeters and PR is 10 centimeters, right? So now QR and PR, they have different lengths. Now between QR and PR, which is bigger? QR is bigger. So QR is longer than PR. That means angle opposite to QR will be greater than the angle opposite to PR. So what is the angle opposite to QR? Angle P. That means angle P will be greater than angle opposite to PR, angle Q. So this is what this theorem means. So remember, whenever you have a triangle in which you have two unequal sides, that means the angle opposite to the longer side will be bigger than the angle opposite to the shorter side. Between AB and AC, which is longer? AB. So AB is longer than AC. That means angle opposite to AB is greater than angle opposite to AC. Similarly here, QR is greater than PR. So angle opposite to QR, that is angle P, is greater than angle opposite to PR, that is angle Q. So this is what is meant by this theorem. So in the next video, let me show you how to prove this theorem mathematically. So previously we have understood the meaning of this theorem. Now in this video, we're going to learn how to prove this theorem. So what is given to us? A triangle ABC in which AC is greater than AB. So we have assumed that the length of AC is more than the length of AB. Next, what do we have to prove? See, between AB and AC, which is the longer side? AC. That means angle opposite to AC, that is angle ABC, is greater than angle opposite to AB, angle ACB. So we have to prove this angle over here, that is angle ABC, is greater than this angle over here, that is angle ACB. Now in order to prove this, we have to do a construction. So what is the construction we do? Mark a point D on AC such that AB is equal to AD. So what is the construction we do? Just choose a point over here in such a way that AB is equal to AD. See, what do we know? We know AB is smaller than AC, right? So we choose a point D on AC such that AB is equal to AD and join BD. So now let's begin with the proof. So now what do we know? We know that AB is equal to AD. Why? By construction. So begin from that. So prove AB is equal to AD. What is the reason? By construction. We have just done it over here. So by construction. Now look at triangle ABD. So whenever in a triangle I have two equal sides, what do I know? In a triangle, if two sides are equal, the angles opposite to them are also equal. I repeat, in a triangle, if two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are also equal. So what is the angle opposite to AB? This angle over here. What is the angle opposite to AD? This angle over here. So these two angles are equal. So I'll say this angle over here, that is angle ABD. So this implies angle ABD is equal to this angle over here, that is angle ADB. What is the reason behind this? In a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So mention it over here. So remember, the moment in a triangle you see two equal sides, mark the two angles to be equal. So just for your simplicity, let's say I label this as angle 1 and this as angle 2. So I can rewrite this statement as angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Right? It will just be more convenient. Now we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now I want you to look at this small triangle over here, triangle BDC. So with respect to the small triangle BDC, what is angle 2? Angle 2 is outside of this triangle. So angle 2 is an exterior angle to this triangle. I repeat, as you can see, angle 2 over here is an exterior angle to triangle BDC. So what is the exterior angle property of a triangle? In a triangle, the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So what are interior opposite angles for this? Interior opposite to this angle and this angle over here. So angle 2 over here is equal to this angle plus this angle. Let me write it. So I'll say angle 2 is equal to this angle, that is angle DBC, plus this angle over here, that is angle DCB. What is the reason behind this? Exterior angle property. So you can mention in bracket exterior angle property. So whenever you're using a theorem or a property, do mention it. So we have angle 2 is equal to this angle plus this angle. So because angle 2 is equal to sum of these two angles, that means angle 2 individually is bigger than each of these angles. I repeat, think of it in this way. 7 is equal to 3 plus 4. So 7 is bigger than 3 and 7 is bigger than 4. Similarly here, this angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. That means angle 2 is bigger than this and angle 2 is bigger than this. So what we're concerned is with this. So angle 2 is bigger than this angle. So this implies angle 2 is greater than angle DCB. Why? Simple. Angle 2 is equal to this plus this. So that means this is bigger than this and it is bigger than this. In case this is not clear, look over here. 7 is equal to 3 plus 4. So 7 is individually bigger than each of these. 7 is greater than 3 and 7 is greater than 4. Same thing over here. Angle 2 is equal to this angle plus this angle. So angle 2 is bigger than this and angle 2 is bigger than this. So I'm really interested in this. So angle 2 is bigger than angle DCB. So what have we got so far? Angle 2 is bigger than angle DCB. Now what is angle 2 equal to? Angle 2 is equal to angle 1. That means angle 1 is also bigger than this. See, angle 2 is greater than this. Let me drop all this off and we'll continue from here. So I'm continuing the proof. Previously we showed that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and we show that angle 2 is greater than angle DCB. Now angle 2 is equal to angle 1. So if angle 2 is greater than this, angle 1 will also be greater than this. So since you can write over here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, angle 1 will also be greater than angle DCB. Simple. Angle 2 is greater than this. Let's say angle 2 is 60 degrees. This is 40 degrees. 60 degrees is greater than 40 degrees. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means angle 1 is also 60. So angle 1 will also be greater than this. Just for your reference. So angle 2 is greater than this. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, angle 1 is also greater than angle DCB. Now, if you notice over here, what is angle 1? Angle 1 is part of angle ABC. I repeat, what is angle 1? Angle 1 is part of angle ABC. That means this entire angle ABC is bigger than angle 1. So I'll say over here, angle ABC is greater than angle 1, correct? And angle 1 is greater than angle DCB. So angle ABC is greater than angle 1 and angle 1 is greater than angle DCB. I hope you're not getting confused with the symbol, right? So see, angle ABC is this entire angle. So angle ABD is just a part of this. So angle ABC is greater than angle 1 and angle 1 is greater than this. So I can combine these two. How do I combine? Angle ABC is greater than angle 1. Angle 1 is greater than angle DCB. Correct? So we have combined these two. So I can rub this off. So what do we get from here? Hence angle ABC is greater than angle DCB. So this implies angle ABC is greater than angle DCB. Now what is angle DCB? Angle DCB is the same thing as angle ACB. So this is nothing but angle ABC is greater than angle ACB, which is exactly what we had to prove, right? So hence proved. So this is how you prove this theorem. Let me do a recap. See what is given to us. We're given a triangle ABC in which AC is greater than AB. What do we have to prove? Angle opposite to this side, that means angle ABC is greater than angle opposite to this side, that is angle ACB. How do we prove it? Do a construction. Choose a point D on AC such that AD is equal to AB. Now look at this triangle. The moment you see two equal sides, opposite angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. So let's say this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. First thing that we get. Now angle 2 is an exterior angle for this triangle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So angle 2 is equal to this angle plus this angle. That means angle 2 is bigger than this and it is also bigger than this. Why? For example, 7 is equal to 3 plus 4. So 7 is bigger than 3, 7 is bigger than 4. So similarly, angle 2 is bigger than this angle. Angle 2 is also bigger than this angle. So see, angle 2 is bigger than this angle. These two angles are equal. That means angle 1 is bigger than this angle. I repeat, angle 1 is bigger than this angle. Now angle ABC is bigger than angle 1. So angle ABC is bigger than angle 1 and angle 1 is bigger than this. That means angle ABC is greater than this, which is exactly what I've shown. See, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 2 is greater than angle DCB. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is greater than angle DCB. Now, angle ABC is bigger than angle 1. So angle ABC is greater than angle 1. Angle 1 is greater than angle DCB. So angle ABC is bigger than angle DCB. What is angle DCB? ACB. So angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Right? To make this more clear, I'll take some values. Right? So I'll draw another figure over here. Just to make this more clear to you, how I'm getting this. So A, B, C, right? And this over here is D, right? So let's say this entire angle ABC is 60 degrees and let's say this angle over here is 50 degrees, right? So the first thing what I do is I choose these two angles in such a way that these two angles are equal. So let's say this angle over here, this entire angle is 60. This is 55 and this is 55. Right? So see, 55 is good and this angle over here will be 5, right? So 55 is equal to 5 plus 50. So 55 is greater than 5, 55 is greater than 50. Now since these two angles are equal, 55 is greater than 50. Now this entire angle is 60. 60 is greater than 55, 55 is greater than 50. So 60 is greater than 50. I hope that makes it more clear, right? So it's very simple. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 2 is greater than this. Angle 2 is greater than this, so angle 1 will also be greater than this. Since this entire angle is furthermore bigger than this, so angle ABC is bigger than angle 1. Angle 1 is bigger than this. That means angle ABC is greater than angle ACB, right? So this is how you prove this theorem. So angle ABC is greater than angle ACB, right? So this is how you prove this theorem.